In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete WhatsApp messages for everyone, even after a long time. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up WhatsApp application, and now let's open up some conversation. And here, as you see, I have just sent a message to that person. That message hasn't read already. As you see, there is just one gray check mark. You can hold down on message, hit there at info, and here you see that if message read, it would be two blue check marks. So now there is one gray check mark. When it's one gray or two gray check marks, you can delete that message for everyone. When there are two blue check marks, you can delete that message just for you. So now when this person hasn't read this message yet, all I have to do to delete this message is to hold down on the message and here hit on delete. Then hit on that trash icon and here select delete for everyone. And that's it, I have just deleted this message. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.